Hi students, this is just a quick little video to show you how to scale down your file if you're struggling to upload your image to the JetNet submission. So if you're in your Photoshop document and you've compressed your file and you're ready to submit and it won't let you submit, we have up to 100 megabytes, which is a rather large size for you to submit your image. You want to double check before you even get to the compression stage. So here's your file, and let's pretend this is your file, and then we'll go up to image size. This is your image size dialog box. If you have a 26 by 17 file, that's rather large, but it's a lot better than having a 26 by 17 at 300 dpi. You do not want 300 dpi. So if it does say, and when you say dpi, you're probably wondering what I mean, dots per inch, pixels per inch, resolution. We want it at 72 resolution. So if it says 300, go ahead and change it from 300 to 72 and then say OK. And then try compressing and uploading your folder, your compressed folder, to the JetNet submission link. The other thing you can do, if it's still too big, which I doubt it would be, but just in case it is, the other thing you can do is change, as long as this little link is selected, this means that you're going to make it proportionate. As long as that's selected, you go from inches to percent, and you can change the percentage to 50 and say OK. You can see my image got very small from that, a lot smaller. The quality is smaller, the size is smaller. There should be no problem at all. It's 1.69 megabytes. Like I said, we have 100. So if that was what you were struggling with to get your images to submit, those are the two changes you could make to resolve that.